حفيظة حليمة. Okay， 你们好。Let's start our today's lecture. 您好。Okay, so first let's review the what we have learned in lesson 11. In lesson 11, we have learned the expression of time. So how to express the time in Chinese? We can use 点 to express a clock, and 分 to express minute, half, 半 okay. So so please look at your watch. 现在几点了？现在几点了？ Please answer my question. Hafiza Halima. 现在几点了？ What time is it now? Can you answer this question?
No, ma'am. I was absent for previous classes.
So you can't express the time. Okay. Hafiza Halima.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 请跟我读. Please read after me. 点 o'clock. 点 So 9 o'clock. 9点
Yes, ma'am.
9点
9点
11 o'clock. 11点
11点
2 o'clock. We will say 2点
2点
not 2点. We should say 2点
2点
Yes, right. Okay, 分
分
minute 半
半
half 5:30 5点30分
5点5三50
5点30分
5点30
分 minute 分
分 Okay, ma'am.
We can also say 5点半5点半
5点半
5:30 Okay, so 11 past 10 minute 11点10分
11点半
11点10分
11
点
11点
10分
13
10分
10分
2 o'clock and 5 minutes 2点05分
2
点
点
05分
2点半
00 means 0 2点05分
2点5分
0 0 please take a look 0 0 means 0 2点05分
2点5分
05分
05分
Yes, 2 o'clock and 5 minutes 2点05分
2点5分
You missed 0 2点05分
2点5分
You missed 0, 0, 2:05。
0:05.
Okay. So can you express the time in Chinese? And we can also use these new words, which are connected with the time. Okay, 请跟我读。早上，
早上，
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 means earlier in the morning. 上午，
上午，
morning. 下午，
下午 afternoon,
中午，
中午 evening,
noon. 午 means noon. Okay, 午。
yes,
上午 morning.
上午，
下午
上午
下午 afternoon. 中午
Okay.
中 means middle, so noon. Okay, 晚上
晚上
night, evening. Okay, so 8 o'clock a.m. how to say it in Chinese? 8 o'clock a.m.
Okay, ma'am.
How to express the time in Chinese?
8 o'clock, ma'am.
In Chinese.
Okay. It sun, no,
8, how to say it? 8.
ba,
O'clock, 8 o'clock a.m.
ba diyan,
a.m.
ma'am, I am
a.m. you can say 早上 or 上午
okay. 早上
8点早上 In Chinese, we always put a bigger unit before the smaller one. So 早上8点 or 上午8点 okay? And
Yes,
3
ma'am.
o'clock, 10 minutes, p.m. How to express the time? p.m. how to say it?
PM, ma'am.
p.m. how to say it in Chinese?
PM, ma'am, fun.
p.m. 下午
Shawu,
okay, 3 o'clock and 10 minutes.
3 sun, sun, she,
3 o'clock.
sha,
3 o'clock.
sun, diyan,
10 minutes.
she,
Minute.
bun,
Okay, so 3 o'clock and 10 minutes p.m. 下午3点10分 Okay, go
yes,
on.
ma'am. Shawu, sun, diyan,
10分
bun, sun, diyan, bun,
3点10分
sun, diyan, she, bun.
and 下午 put 下午 before 3 o'clock and 10 minutes. Okay,
Yes,
go on.
ma'am.
5 o'clock and 25 minutes p.m. How to express the time?
Wu, diyan, she, wu,
Minute.
fun,
Okay.
bun.
p.m.
Ma'am, 下午班
下午, but we should put 下午 before the time, okay? Because 下
Okay,
午
ma'am.
is the bigger unit. Okay. Repeat,
Yes.
please. 5 minutes, please. PM.
Afternoon, ma'am. Shabu.
Shawu.
Shabu. Shabu. Wu. Arshi. Arshi. Wu. Ban.
5点o'clock 5点25分. Repeat, please.
Yes, ma'am. Shabu. Wu. Arshi. Wu. Ban.
5点
No?
o'clock. 5点 you missed 点 o'clock.
Oh,
Repeat, please.
okay, ma'am. Shabu. Wu. Arshi. Wu. Dian.
Yes.
Dian Ban.
25 minutes.
Ma'am, 25. Arshi Wu.
Minute.
Dian Ban.
Minute.
No?
分 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
分
Okay, ma'am.
分.
Ban.
Okay. Repeat, please.
Yes,
5
ma'am.
o'clock and 25 minutes PM. How to express the time?
Uh, Shabu.
Mm.
Wu. Wu Dian. Arshi. Arshi Wu. Dian Fan. No?
Minute. 25 minutes. Minutes.
Arshi Wu Fan.
Yes, right. 下午 PM. 下午5点25分. Okay?
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
remember 点 o'clock. 分 minute. Okay. So 12 o'clock AM. What's the time? 12 o'clock AM. Please express the time. 12 o'clock AM. 几点? What time?
Shabu. Yi
12.
Dian.
12. 12. 12点. 12点. AM. We can say 中午12点. Okay. Last one. 9 o'clock and 30 minutes PM. How to express the time?
Leo. Shabu Leo.
PM. And 9 o'clock, we should say 晚上 night, evening, okay? PM, we should put PM before the time. So 晚上 9 o'clock. Go on, please. 9 o'clock, 30 minutes. How to express the time? Go on, Halima.
Sun Shi Fan.
9 o'clock, 9.
9, ma'am. Leo.
6 is 6.
Okay,
9,
ma'am.
9
Chao.
9点 9点30分. What's the other way to express the time? We can 9:30. 9:30, how to say it? How to say it? Half in Chinese. Half. 半 half 半 OK 半，请跟我读 read after me
Ma'am,
半
bun.
半 half 请跟我读半
Yes, ma'am. Bun.
9点半
Chodian bun.
9 past half past 9 OK so PM 晚上9点半
Chodian bun.
晚上 night 晚上9点半 PM 晚上 because at that time we should call it 晚上 night evening 晚上9点半
Ma'am, PM means in
PM
Chinese?
PM
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can call it 下午 you know
Okay, ma'am.
the time after 12 o'clock after 12 o'clock we can also
Yes, ma'am.
call it PM no
Yes, ma'am.
the time can be called PM okay but 晚上 you know after 6 o'clock PM the time we can call it 晚上 okay
Okay, ma'am.
so 9 o'clock and 30 minutes we can say 晚上9点30分 or we can also say it 晚上9点半晚上 means night evening okay just
Good.
memorize 晚上 晚上
Lunchong.
晚上晚上晚上 there is pinyin please take a look at the pinyin and please take a screenshot and memorize these new words which are connected with the time you can use these new words to express the time okay 早上 means earlier in the morning I think you know the time before 8 o'clock a.m. we can call it 早上 okay and 上午 means morning and the time you know before 12 o'clock at noon this time can also be called 上午 okay 上午 and 下午 means afternoon the time after 12 o'clock at noon this time can also be called 下午 okay 下午 and 中午 is you know refers to the time just around the time 12 o'clock at noon okay 中午 and 晚上 means night or evening the time you know after 6 o'clock p.m. this time can be called 晚上 okay are you clear please
Yes,
take a
ma'am.
screenshot and 点 o'clock 分 minute 半 means half okay that's
Ma'am,
what
dear
we
means?
have
Dear
what
means?
点 o'clock
O'clock. Okay, ma'am. O'clock.
分 minute that's what we have
Okay.
learned in lesson 11 you
Okay.
should acquire okay now let's review the text of lesson 11 please listen to the recording carefully
Lesson 11. What's the time now?
课文一，
Text 1.
现在几点？
现在10点10分，
中午几点吃饭？
12点吃饭。
New words. 现在
现在
点
点
分
分
中午
中午
吃饭。
吃饭。Okay, let's look at text 1. I've asked you to review the new words and the text after the class by yourself, and I've asked you to recite the text. Can you recite the text? Hafiza Halima.
Yes,
Hafiza
ma'am.
Halima. Okay, 请跟我读. Read
Okay,
after
ma'am.
me first. 现在几点?
现在七点
What time is it now? 现在10:10。
现在10:10
What's meaning?
呃
Please translate the text into English. 现在10:10。What's the meaning?
ma'am 现在 means
Now. 现在 means now.
10:10
10:10。
now 10 o'clock 10 10 10 o'clock and 10 minutes.
Yes, right. 点 means o'clock. 分 means minute. 现在 now. Now is 10 o'clock and 10 minutes. Okay, let's go on. 中午几点吃饭?
中午七点吃饭
What's meaning? 几点 When or what time? 吃饭
ma'am 中午 means
We've just reviewed the new words just now. 中午 what's meaning? 中午中午 is a here. 中午 noon. Okay? 中午 and that's the new words we have learned in lesson 11.
okay, ma'am.
中午几点吃饭 What's meaning?
evening
Noon. 中午 noon. 中午 means noon. 午 noon. 中 middle. It means noon. 上午 morning. 下午 afternoon. 中午 means noon. 中午几点吃饭 What's meaning? 吃饭 Okay, yes sir. Yes sir, go on to answer my question. 中午几点吃饭 What's meaning?
Chongu means noon and Tian means o'clock. Chiffon means lunch. To meal. Chiffon means to eat meal. When we have our lunch meal.
Yes. 几点 What time or when? When do you have lunch? When do you have lunch at noon? 中午吃饭 When do you eat a meal at noon? Okay, 12点吃饭。
第11课，
12点
现在
吃饭。
几点？第11课，
What's meaning? 12点吃
现在
饭。
几点？
Go on, yes sir.
Laushi, I think recording is on.
What? I'm sorry.
Recording is on. I can't hear.
Yes. I didn't ask you to listen to the recording. Just translate the sentence into English. 12点吃饭 What's meaning?
Shiardian means 12 and Chiffon at 12 o'clock.
Yes, 吃饭 eat a meal. Okay, so 现在几点？几 is used to ask about the number, but the number is usually less than 10. 几点 is used to ask about the time. What time? What time is it now? 现在 means now. What time is it now? 现在10点10分 we use 点 to express the o'clock, 分 to express the minute. So 10点10分 10 o'clock 10 minutes. It's 10 o'clock and 10 minutes now. 中午几点吃饭? In this sentence, the subject 你 was omitted. 你中午几点吃饭? When 几点? When or what time? What time do you eat a meal at noon? 吃饭 eat a meal. 中午 noon. What time? When do you eat a meal at noon? 12点吃饭. In this sentence, the subject 我 was omitted. 我中午12点吃饭. I eat a meal at 12 o'clock. 12点吃饭. See, in this sentence, you know, the time word 12点 was put, you know, behind the subject, okay? And the subject was omitted. And where can this time word be put? So what's the other way to speak this sentence? Who can answer this question? 我12点吃饭. In another way to speak this sentence, what's the other way to speak this sentence? The time word, you know, except the time word was put behind the subject. Where can the time word be put? It can also be put, you know, before the subject, right? So that's the grammar we have learned in lesson 11. You know, the time word is used as the adverbial modifier, and it can be put behind the subject or before the subject. So 我12点吃饭. We can also say 12点我吃饭. I eat meal at 12 o'clock. And the meaning of the two sentences are the same. So do you understand? That is text 1. Okay, so I will ask you to make the dialogue of text 1. And before that,
第
please
11
listen
课
to the recording
现在
together
几点？
again.
Lesson 11. What's the time now?
课文一
Text 1.
现在几点？
现在10点10分，
中午几点吃饭？
12点吃饭。
New words.
现在
现在
点分
分
中
中
午
午
吃
吃
饭。
饭. Okay, so Samara Javid.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you are A. Yes, sir, you are B. Please make the dialogue of text 1.
Yes, ma'am. 现在几点？
现在10点10分，
中午几点吃饭？
12点10分，
Okay, yes, sir, you are A. Halima, you are B. Make the dialogue again.
现在几点？
现在10点10分。
中午几点10分？
12点吃饭。
Very good. Halima, you are A. Samara Javid, you are B. Okay, start.
现在几点？现在10点10分。中午几点吃饭？12点吃饭。
Okay, good. Very good. That is text 1. Okay, let's go on. To review text 2, please listen to the recording together at first.
课文2，
Text 2.
爸爸什么时候回家？
下午5点，
我们什么时候去看电影？
6点30分，
New words.
时候，
时候
回，
回
我们，
我们
电
电
影，
影。Okay, text 2. That is text 2. Let's review text 2. 爸爸什么时候回家？Okay, so just translate the text into English, okay? Yasser, read after me and translate the text into English. 爸爸什么时候回家？Yasser. Yasser.
爸爸什么时候回家？
What's meaning?
Baba means father,
嗯
and uh, she was time.
嗯，
Uh,
什么时候？
when when father coming home?
Yes, okay. 下午5点。
下午5点。下午 means afternoon.
Yes, right.
Evening. 下午 means afternoon,
嗯
and 5点 dian means clock. 5点 at 5 o'clock afternoon.
Yes, at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. 我们什么时候去看电影？Read after me at first.
我们什么时候
Go on. 去看电影。
去看电影？
去 to go 去。
去看电影？
Not 去。去。
去
去
看
看电影。So
电
what's meaning?
影？
What's meaning of this sentence? 什么时候 What time or when? When
电影 means movie.
yes. 看电影 watch the movie 去看电影 go to watch the movie.
When we go to watch movie?
Yes. When shall we go to watch the movie? Okay. 6点30分。
6点30分。
What time?
at 6 o'clock.
30分。30分。6 o'clock, 30 minutes. 6:30. Okay. So what's the other way to express this time? 6点30分 Sarah Javid.
6点半。
Can also say 6点半 6:30. 半 means half. Okay, I've taught you. 半 okay, 6点30分 we can also say 6点半 okay. 爸爸什么时候回家 What time will father 回家 go back home? 下午5点 So 什么时候 What time? And you just need to put your answer to take the place of 什么时候 So the time word will be put, behind the subject and before the predicate. Okay? 爸爸下午5点回家。 So at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. 我们什么时候去看电影？什么时候 What time? What time shall we go to watch the movie? And the time is 6:30. You just need to put your answer to take the place of 什么时候。我们6:30去看电影。But when you answer the question, you needn't, you just need to say the time word 6:30. But the whole sentence should be 我们6:30去看电影。We'll go to watch the movie at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock and 30 minutes. 6:30. Okay, so let's see if you have memorized the text. So please, I will ask 2 students to make the dialogue of text 2. Savara Javid, you are A. Yasser, you are B. Please start.
爸爸什么时候回家？
Yasser. Yasser, you are B.
下午5点。
我们什么时候去看电影？
6点30分。
Okay, good. So Yasser, how to express 6:30? The other way? What's the other way to express the time?
6点半。
Yes, very good. Okay, Yasser, now this time you are A. Halima, you are B. Please make the dialogue again.
爸爸什么时候回家？
下午5点。
我们什么时候去看电影？
6:30。
很好，去 Yasser 去看电影。Okay, now this time, Halima, you are A. Savara Javid, you are B. Make the dialogue again.
爸爸什么时候回家？
下午5点。
我们什么时候会看电影？
6点30分。
Okay, good. 去看电影。Okay, pay attention to this word. 去 Okay. And that is text 2. Text 2. Okay, let's see text 3. Text 3. Please listen to the recording together at first.
课文3，
Text 3.
我星期一去北京，
你想在北京住几天？
住3天，
星期五前能回家吗？
能。
New words.
住
前
前
Proper noun.
北
京。
京
Okay, text 3. I will ask one of the students to read the text after me. Mariam Siddiq. 你好。Mariam Siddiq. 你好。Are you there? Okay, 请跟我读 and please translate the text into English. 我星期一去北京。Read after me at first. 我星期一去北京。 Read after me, please. Mariam Siddiq.
Ji, Xi, Shu, Beijing.
What's meaning? What's the meaning of the sentence?
Have you pressed my clothes?
我星期一去北京。星期一 Monday 去北京 go to Beijing. So I will go to Beijing on Monday. Okay, go on. 你想在北京住几天？
你想在北京住几天？
住几天？住几天？
住几天？
住 to live 几天 how many days 想 to want so how many days do you want to live in Beijing 住 is a verb and 在 is a preposition is followed by a word of locality introduce the place of this word of this action takes place live in Beijing. Okay, so how many days do you want to live in Beijing? Okay, let's go on. 住3天。
住3天。
3天 3 days. Live for 3 days. Okay, let's go on. 星期五前能回家吗？
星期五前能回家吗？
前 is used, behind a time word. It means before that time. So 星期五 Friday 前 before Friday. 能吗 ask the ability, ask the possibility. So 回家 go back home. So it means in this sentence the subject 你 was omitted. 你星期五前能回家吗？ Can you go back home before Friday? The answer is 能. Yes, I can. Okay, so that's the text 3. Text 3. So please look at text 3. Later, I will ask you to recite the text. Okay, please listen to the recording together. Again.
课文3，
Text 3.
我星期一去北京，
你想在北京住几天？
住3天，
星期一前能回家吗？
能。
New words.
住
前
前
Proper noun.
北京
Okay, so I will ask 2 students to make the dialogue of text 3. Samara Javid,
Yes, ma'am.
A, and Yasser, you are B.
我星期一住北京。
Yasser. Yasser, you are B.
你想在北京住几天？
Samara Javid, it's your turn.
住3天。
星期五前能回家吗？
Sabra Javid. 能
Nang.
Okay.
课文
Yasser. Yasser, you are A. And Halima, you are B. Make the dialogue of text 3 again.
我星期一去北京。
你想在北京住几天？
住三天。
星期五能回去吗？
能。
OK. 星期五前能回家吗？ Okay, good. Halima, you are A, and Mariam Siddiq, you are B. Make the dialogue of text 3 again, please.
我星期一回北京。
Okay, Sabra Javid, you are B.
Yes, ma'am. Ni xiang zai Beijing ju jitian.
住3天。
星期五前能回家吗？
能。
Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so we have reviewed the text of lesson 11. Let's review the grammar we have learned in lesson 11. Okay, and in lesson 11, we have learned, the time word. The time word use an adverbial and the position of the time word. So where can we put the time word in the sentence? When a time word served as an adverbial modifier in a sentence, it often follows the subject. Sometimes it can be used before the subject. So that means, the time word can be put, behind the subject or before the subject. So, right? That's the grammar. And no matter, the position, no matter where the position of the time word is, it should be always put before the predicate, okay? So 妈妈6点做饭. We can also say 6点妈妈做饭, okay? 李老师上午8点去学校, and we can also say 上午8点李老师去学校. Okay, 我星期一去北京. So what's the other way to speak this sentence? Halima, please say it. Answer my question. 我星期一去北京. What's the other way to speak this sentence? Halima.
Yes,
please.
ma'am.
Okay, so please answer my question. Look at sentence number 3. 我星期一去北京. That's the sentence from text 3 of lesson 11. So what's the other way to speak this sentence? Yes, sir.
你想在北京住几天？
No, you didn't understand what I mean. So Yasser, can you answer my question? What's the other way to speak this sentence? 我星期一去北京. What's the other way to speak this sentence?
Can I say, ma'am?
Yeah, okay.
星期一我去北京.
Yes. 星期一 can be also put before the subject. So 星期一我去北京. Okay, that's the grammar. Just tell us that, the time word is used as an adverbial modifier, and the position of the time word could be before the subject or behind the subject, okay? So we can put 星期一 before the subject. 星期一我去北京. 我星期一去北京. The meaning of the two sentences are the same, okay? Please look at these sentences. In these sentences, the term word was put, before the subject, and we can also, move this term word behind the subject. Okay. So please look at the sentence of number 3. 下午5点，他们去看电影。So what's the other way to speak this sentence? Yes, sir. Can you answer this question? Yes, sir. 下午5点，他们去看电影。How to speak this sentence in another way? Yes, sir. Halima, can you answer this question? Mariam Siddiq, do you understand the grammar? So how to speak this sentence in another way? 下午5点，他们去看电影。Yes, sir. Can you answer this question?
5点下午
下午5点 is the time word. It's the time word. And the time word can be put before the subject or behind the subject. So what's the other way to speak this sentence? Yes, sir. Answer this question again.
老师 please repeat the sentence.
下午5点，他们去看电影。What's the other way to speak this sentence?
他们下午5点
去看电影. Yes, right.
去看电影。
We can put the time word behind the subject, but no matter what the position, where the position is, they must be put before the predicate. Okay, so the term word can be put before the subject or behind the subject. Okay. 下午5点，他们去看电影。他们下午5点去看电影。The meaning are the same. They will go to watch the movie at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. And 前, let's look at the noun 前. 前 can be put to refer to, a period prior to the present time, or the time being mentioned. 前. So 前 is just used before a time word, or behind the time word. It means before that time, or that time ago. That time ago. For example, 3天前, it means 3 days ago. 1个星期前, 1 week ago. 4点前, it means before that time, before 4 o'clock. 星期五前, before Friday. Okay? So 前 is used behind the time word. It means that time ago, and the time could be, a period time. And if it was put before a time, it means before that time, okay? Before that time, okay. So that's the grammar we have learned in lesson 11. And after we have finished learning this lesson, you should know how to express the time and, introduce what's the activity you have done in a day. For example, let's look at the picture and fill in the blanks and use the newly learned language points and words. So who can fill in the blanks and complete the sentence?
Can I?
Okay.
Tha, she, Dian. 在学校看书。
10点 AM
中午10点。
AM
上午
yes 上午
10点。
上午 AM 上午 Okay, you must memorize these new words which are connected with the time 上午 morning AM 他上午10点在学校看书 to read book. Okay, let's look at this picture and fill in the brackets and complete the sentence. Okay, who can fill in the brackets and complete the sentence? Yasser, try it. Yasser. 王芳中午几点去商店做什么 Okay, so Halima, can you fill in the brackets? Wang Fang 中午
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 王芳中午几点 12 o'clock 去商店 Do what 做什么中午几点 What time 几点 12 o'clock How to say it 12 o'clock Halima 12 o'clock
Afternoon. Yes.
12
क्या वो
12 o'clock How to say it 12 o'clock
12
十二点王芳中午12点去商店 Do what We can say 买东西 To buy something 买东西买水果 fruits Okay 买东西买 To buy something Okay Look at this picture and fill in the brackets Yes sir Yes sir Mariam Siddiq, can you fill in the brackets? 他们很忙。他们 means they. 很 very 忙 means busy. They are very busy. Okay, 星期六
下午10点。Yeah.
星期六下午也工作。下午4点也工作。Okay. 4 o'clock p.m. 下午4点。下午4点也 means two. They are very busy and they work at 4 o'clock p.m. on Saturday also. Yeah. Okay. Let's look at this picture and fill in the blanket. So who can fill in the blanket?
他上午不喝茶。下午2点前喝茶。
Very good. 他上午不喝茶 What's meaning? 上午
She did not have tea in morning.
Yes.
She does not have tea
嗯
in the morning.
下午2点前喝茶。2 o'clock p.m. 2点 2 o'clock 2点 we should say 2点 ，OK？ 2点前 what's meaning? 2点前 what's meaning?
After 2 p.m. Before 2 p.m.
Yes,
Before.
before 2 o'clock. 他上午不喝茶，不 means no, not. She doesn't drink tea in the morning. 下午2点前喝茶。She drinks tea before 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. So please take look at your watch and answer my question. 现在几点？现在几点？
现在12点11分。
很好。现在巴基斯坦时间12点11分。12点11分是 I think 中午 right? It's at noon, right? 现在巴基斯坦时间是中午12点11分。那中国时间是几点？中国时间，现在中国时间，3 o'clock 11 minute。
3点11分。
PM
下午3点11分。
Yes, right. 现在中国时间是下午。We should put 下午 before the time, okay? 下午 is the bigger unit. 下午3点11分 OK. 我们几点下课？我们几点下课？下课 means class is over. 几点下课？
我们12点30分下课。
Yes, 12点30分下课。The other way to express the time?
12点半。12点半。
12点半下课。Okay. So, please let's do the exercise to express this time. Okay. So, one I will ask two students to make the dialogue, and one is A. The other students is B. Okay, just answer the question to practice to express the time. Savara Javid.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. 现在几点？
现在3点半。
3点半。Okay. Savara Javid, you are A. Halima, you are B.
现在几点？
现在8点23
23
Yes, ma'am. 23
分。Okay. Halima, you are A. Yasser, you are B. Halima, you are A.
Okay, ma'am. 现在7点
Yasser, you are B. Yasser.
现在
7
12现在12点。
Look at the picture. This time. 10 o'clock and 43 minutes a.m. How to say it? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. (10:43 a.m.) How to express the time? 现在几点？
现在7点7点30分。
43. 43 minutes. A.M.
43
43分。现在上午 A.M. 上午10:43。Okay. So 现在几点？ Answer my question, please. 现在
现在下午4点15分。
Okay. So if A.M. how to say it? A.M. 早上 we can say it 早上 earlier in the morning. 早上4:15。Okay. So 现在几点？现在几点？
现在5:58。
PM.
下午5:58。
Okay, good. Okay, 现在几点？现在几点？
现在中午1:27。
1:27。中午。下午 both of them are okay. Okay, 现在几点？
现在中午18:00。18点。
12点。12:27分。 Okay, good. 现在几点？
现在下午2点。
2点。2点。
2点。
嗯。
三7:34。
34分。2:34。So earlier in the morning, there is another new word. It's 凌晨, but you just know about that. We can also say 早上 2:34。Too earlier, right? Is 凌晨。So what's the time? What's the time? 现在几点？
上午7:45分。
Yes. 上午早上 earlier in the morning 早上7:45。Okay, so 现在几点？现在几点？
现在下午10:02。
PM 下午晚上we should use 晚上 at night 晚上10:05。10 o'clock and 5 minutes 10:05。Okay, so have you got it? Have you mastered how to express the time in Chinese? Okay, and I've given you the assignment to describe your activities in a day. Some students has handed in their assignment and they did the assignment very, very good. Okay, so let's see some students' assignment and see is there some problems in your assignments. Okay, so please take a look. 我早上5点半起床。I got up at 5:30 minutes in the morning. Very good. 我早上5点半起床。We have just learned, this sentence structure. The time word. The time word, we can put the time word, behind the subject or before the subject, right? But in the text, the time word was put behind the subject, right? So 我早上5点半起床 get up. 起床 is the predicate. Okay. Let's go on. 我早上7点 so 吃饭 7 o'clock 7 o'clock just 7点 okay. And there is a mistake. 7点 there is no 0分 just 7点 okay. So have you got it? 我早上7点早上7点 is the time word. There is no 0分吃饭 I eat a meal at 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay. 我早上10点15分去大学。早上10点15分。What's the time? Do you understand? 早上 morning 10点15分。
10:15.
10 o'clock, yes, 10:15. 10 o'clock and 15 minutes. I go to the university at 10:15 in the morning. It's very good. 我的第一堂课是早上8点。My first lecture is on 8 o'clock. It's good. 我的第一堂课 we should say 我的第一堂课从早上8点开始 begin from 8 o'clock in the morning. But we didn't learn from 从 begin from. We didn't learn that. We didn't learn 从 begin from. We should use this structure. 从 what time? 开始 means begin. So 我的第一堂课从早上8点开始. That would be better, okay? So it's good. Just, there is just a little mistake. 7 o'clock, just 7点, okay? Okay, let's see another student's assignment. Aksaja. Please, and see the assignment is well done, and the Chinese chapters are written so well, even better than some Chinese. Really. And she has written the new words. Okay. 我的一天 my day. 我早上5点半起床. I got up at 5:30 in the morning. See the same mistake with the students before. So 我早上7点吃饭. not 7:00 7 o'clock just 7点 OK 我上午10点半去大学 I go to university at 10:30 我的第一堂课是 is the fourth tone OK 是 is the fourth tone 是 at here 是 is not the first tone it's the fourth tone OK and I've told you you'd better use begin from 我的第一堂课从中午12点开始12 not r r is the first tone 我下午6点6 6 first tone OK 6点回到家I come back to home at 6 p.m. 我下午6点回到家。家 there is a dot. You missed a dot at here. But the assignment is well done, although there are little mistakes. Okay, now let's see another student's assignment. Sabara Javid. Write the Chinese characters. 5点 Okay, let's see. My day. 我早上 See at here. You didn't,我早上几点起床 You didn't say it. 我早上 For example, 5 o'clock. 我早上5点起床 You missed the time at here. 我早上5点起床 OK 我早上6点吃早饭I have my breakfast at 6 o'clock in the morning 吃早饭 means have breakfast 吃早饭早饭我早上8点去学校8点去学校 I go to school at 8 o'clock in the morning 我中午12点回到宿舍 See 我 is the subject 回到宿舍 is the predicate this Chinese sentence it always was made of subject predicate and 中午12点 is the time word okay and the time word can be put before the subject or behind the subject so 我中午12点回到宿舍 I go back to the dormitory at 12 o'clock at noon or 中午12点我回到宿舍 so the time word can be put before the subject okay 我下午2点吃午饭我 is the subject 吃午饭 have lunch and 下午2点 is the time word 下午2点 and the time word was put behind the subject or we can also put the time word before the subject okay so I have my lunch at 2 o'clock in the afternoon it's well done it's well done let's see another student's assignment and see is there any mistakes so please take a look at this okay so 电 this Chinese character was written wrong right 电 there is a horizontal insert so it was written wrong okay so 电 电 I think if you have listened to the teacher carefully in the class, such mistakes shouldn't be happen, right? And let's see this assignment. Mm. 我早上 so I 我早上起床 but the Chinese characters were written wrong. It's not that 起床我早吃早餐我早去学校 and 校 is not that Chinese character. So it is totally wrong. It is totally wrong. So I don't know if the students where is the student when I have my class. So you shouldn't make such mistakes if you listen to the teacher carefully in the class. Okay. So I just gave your okay. So I just spend some time to make a conclusion of the assignment. Some students' assignment are well done, but some students' assignment, has many problems, has many mistakes. So I think you should know why. Okay. Okay, so it's time for today's class to be over. And please input the date of today, 0527 in the chat room. And the attendance is not so good recently. Okay, and we're going to do the exercise on the workbook of lesson 11 tomorrow. And please be on time. And see you. 谢谢，再见. See you tomorrow.
再见, ma'am.
再见.